Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in this 2022 Porsche Taycan 4 Cross Turismo. I absolutely love this car. And this is actually my family's vehicle. It's super awesome. It looks really good. The range is probably around like 230 miles or so, which could be a lot better. But you know how a lot of EVs other than Tesla and like Lucid don't have really high EV range. I think one of the biggest demerits of the Taycan is the low range, but it's one of the best electric cars I've driven. It's one of the best looking electric cars. I'm a huge Porsche fan, so I absolutely love this car. It has about 470 horsepower. Let's take a quick look at the vehicle on the outside. So it's finished in Carrara white metallic. It's a bit dirty. I mean, I absolutely love the car. It's amazing. The station wagon is one of the best looking, you know, shapes. I think the station wagon looks way better than the sedan does. The shape is so unique. It gets a lot of attention. The amount of attention this car gets is absolutely insane. Most people don't know what it is, but it's super exotic. So yeah, it gets a good amount of attention. Let's go for that drive. And yeah, I might be wearing some lame clothes right now, but you know, after a long day of work, you just want to wear something comfortable, so don't ding me on that. So here's your reverse camera over there. Do we have a 360 camera? Porsche's reverse camera is pretty crappy. That's one thing about it. It could be a lot better. And then I like to put it in the electric sports sound on. I love it. And turn on battery recuperation every time I drive this vehicle. So let's go. The electric sports sound sounds insane. Every time I take someone for a ride in this, they're always like commenting on that. They're like, it sounds insane. And also it's pretty loud on the outside from the speakers. So whenever you drive by people, they're always like looking at the car because of the noise it's making. And I typically drive it in sport suspension. So the Taycan Cross Turismo has an air suspension, which the sedan doesn't. You can change the modes. You got like normal, sport, sport plus. This one doesn't have sport chrono package, where like you can turn this little dial on the steering wheel, which I really like. And with sport chrono package, you also get a clock over there. We're kind of going to be driving in rush hour right now, or you know. So this car is really comfortable. The drive is awesome. The handling's amazing. This car definitely handles a lot better than you would think for a car that weighs this much. It handles like it weighs way less than it really does. It handles like a Porsche. It drives like a Porsche. Porsche is my favorite brand in the car industry. I think it's amazing. My dream car is the Porsche 911 GT3, the 992. Right now I drive a BMW M3 G80 with the 6-speed, and that car is amazing. And I hope to get a GT3 one day. Yeah, so this is the Taycan 4. It's essentially like the base model Taycan sedan's a rear-wheel drive. The base model Taycan wagon is the Taycan 4, which gives it all-wheel drive. It would be weird if the wagon had rear-wheel drive, because this is for all-terrain, obviously. So yeah, blind spots are pretty good in this vehicle as well. And as an, if I don't know if I mentioned or not, you have heated and ventilated seats, which is nice in this vehicle. We use this car for everything, you know, all purposes. That's the point of you getting an all-terrain station wagon. And I've probably seen like maybe three cross Turismo Taycans. They're not very common. Even the regular Taycan's not as common, and not that common either. But like, if you see a Taycan, there's a good chance it's a sedan and not a wagon. They don't make many wagons. I really like the Taycan Cross Sport Turismo. That car is amazing. Look at that pickup. It's pretty awesome. This is one of those electric cars where actually the car actually feels like it has a soul, and it's not just an appliance. I love the Taycan. It's such an awesome car. I've always liked it ever since it came out. In sport mode. Man, like I said, I really wish this had sport chrono package. I love twisting a little dial. It's so cool. Yeah, look at that. This thing's pretty fast, man. And this is like I haven't used like a GoPro to make a POV drive in a while, so bear with me if it's a little weird. I need to still get used to it. I need to get a video on my M3 pretty soon. But yeah, this car is really fast. Like the Taycan, I've driven the Taycan 4S Turbo, they're all ridiculous. Even the 4S is crazy. But I mean, this is the Taycan 4 and it's still really, really fast. You don't need more than this. You know what I mean? I mean, the Taycan rear wheel drive isn't that, leaves a little bit to be desired, but honestly, this one, even though it's not a 4S, it gives you everything you need. The all-wheel drive definitely gives you a little bit of extra, you know, thrust off the line, which you need when you're trying to take off really fast. And this was also this feature called Smart Lift, where like when you go to like a location that you're there often, you can lift the suspension will lift. Like if you're going into your garage, or because when it's in sport mode, sport suspension, it goes pretty low, so it might be difficult getting in and out of the car. But like you could put it in lift mode if you have like you need to clear like a steep driveway or something like that, which makes it convenient. And yeah, honestly, if I got a Taycan, I'd get a Cross Turismo. If I might, or Sport Turismo. It looks so unique, and I love German station wagons. It's a shame that the United States market doesn't have more German station wagons. Like if they brought the M3 Touring over here, I would buy that in a heartbeat. I mean, I have a manual G80, but I would switch to an automatic. I'd be okay with switching to an automatic if I could get the wagon, because I love German station wagons. They're awesome. Now you can weave in and out of traffic in this car with ease. Not gonna have any issues there. yeah, there's an issue. There's an example of me needing to get used to my GoPro. I just kind of knocked my hat or GoPro into the wall. It just feels really weird. But I'm gonna get used to it. I want to make, you know, more advanced POV driving videos. If you watch any of my other videos, I just use my phone when I get a few minutes of time. But I'm gonna start, you know, using my GoPro pretty often. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. Stay tuned for more videos. Please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.